back with new tutorial. Today I will show you how you can add friends and how you can do chat on YouTube. If you feel it's working well, then like and share this video and subscribe me to get more tricks daily. So let's see how it's work. So first of all you have to search on Google www.youtube.com. After searching this, or you can use an YouTube app also. After this, you have to go and this icon of messenger, and there you can see an friends option of friends, mean how you can add friends, and it's a new update how you can add friends on YouTube and how you can do chat. So I just click on the friends, and here you can see that right now I don't have any friends on YouTube. So we will see that how we can add friends. Like this, I click on add friend, and they will show me an link, invited link, which we have to use this link to add my friends. So keep in mind, this is a secret link. The link you will share with your friends. The more and more people click on this link, the more people will be added in your friend list. And you can also invite friends individually. You can also add friends like we add in a group on Facebook. You can also add them in a group. This is this is a link. So you have to copy this link and you have to share with your friend to add them. Like this, I share this a link with my friend, with my 4 to 5 friends to do check that how it works. So I created a group as I shared with my 4 friends, and they just click on it and they added in this group. So we can also see that who is a participant of this group. Like this, you can see here the member of. I just click on this. So you can also delete this chat. You can also add more participants also. So there is, if you want to invite your friend individually, you can also invite your friend individually. Like this, I click again on the friends option, and here we will show an window. You can add more contact. You can also add more contacts like this. You can see here add more contacts, and there are some contacts also which we added like in the previous group, and the friends we sent the email through Gmail. So this is showing the friends of it. So you can also invite your friend. You can also remove the suggestion. You can also block them. So like this, I've invited my friend Sadi Khan, so he accepted my invitation. So I connected with Sadi Khan. So now you can see that I can send him a message like this. I send in hi, how are you. You can also send many stickers. As you can see, there are many stickers. So there are also much more features. You can use all feature. So enjoy.